We have built Cavalry around a foundation of quality and integrity in the work that we do. We don't so much have a warranty as we have a perpetual promise that if we've built something inferior, we will always come back and fix it, even 10 years down the road.
When people come over and they see it for the first time, you know, it is really spectacular. It's a yard that lent to this kind of a project, and they executed it extremely well, and we're extremely happy.
The Cavalry builds everything, simply stated. If it's outside the house, we take care of it. We employ our own carpenters, masons, we own our own fleet of excavators and bobcats, we run our own dump trucks. We look after everything. We don't rely on subcontractors to do the basic fundamental work. It's all done in-house with our own staff. We currently employ about 20 people, and every one of the guys has been selected. We're not just taking somebody off the street who can push a wheelbarrow. We want guys who are competent, diligent, who are going to look after customers' property and care about the work that they do.
Our goals that we set out here are to make the clients very happy, to make sure the billings go as smoothly as possible, and if there's any attention that needs to be to the sites or to any invoicing, we try and take care of it right away so they're not having to wait on anything.
Over lengthy projects, it can be messy for a while when you're doing demolition. But what we try to do is we try to keep the site clean every day, so we don't leave the site there. If the job's going to be, a 2-week, 3-week project, we don't want to leave the site dirty every day. So we try to clean up as much as we can. We don't allow smoking on site and no loud music or anything like that. So we try to be as professional as possible. And I believe that does separate us from a lot of the other companies in the landscape industry.
One of the things that impressed me was we went through some weather adversity, and we had snow, we had hail, we came across rocks the size of Volkswagen Beetles, and these guys just took it in stride, big smiles on their face, and got on with the job and got it done very efficiently.
They worked very independently. They were always here. They always cleaned up the site at the end of the day. I didn't really sort of have too much interaction with them. I just watched them work, and they worked very hard and very diligently, and they were here early and worked till late. Worked really well.
Every project's different, so we approach every project as a challenge. And in this type of work, you really have the opportunity to be very creative. So we work with the client with their ideas, and in our experience and our ideas, we bring them together, and every project turns out to be very unique.
The first step is to assess their needs. People will approach us asking for a patio, but not really having a plan beyond that. How many people are they entertaining? It doesn't need to be an entertaining patio or a relaxation patio. What makes them happy? What kind of surroundings? What kind of colors and textures? So our preliminary process involves some budgeting and some planning.
I told them what I wanted, but I didn't want to be very specific because I wanted to see what they would come up with in their ideas. And they presented quite a few different, floor plans or plans for the place. And we looked at them and modified them, and then they would go back and do another drawing and then present it to me.
As we work through the design process, the homeowners will become a little bit sharper in their expectations. That helps us greatly because we can be more specific in our planning and our decision making to give them what they're asking for. Without the right interview, we may end up building something that doesn't suit their needs or doesn't suit their lifestyle. So really the planning process is critical. Once we have everything in place, our crews will come in and make a tremendous mess, typically. I've been told how shocking it is for someone to come home from the first day of work and see their former yard turned into a crater. But that's all part of the process. We can't build on top of what was already there, so we'll remove it and start over from scratch.
They achieved everything that I had in mind, and I think they were more creative than I would have been on my own, so they presented me with really good ideas, and I'm very happy with it.
We are part of the BC's Top 100 companies. It's very exciting to be out there and showing that we're doing a wonderful job in the industry. And
there are very few companies out there who can represent complete professionalism from start to finish in the landscape industry. It's not a matter of rolling out some turf and putting plants in the ground. What we do is more general construction. And my goal is to make Cavalry one of the foremost professional landscape construction companies in the industry.